So this is where we are now. A murder trial, turned into a math lesson nobody asked for. Baloy walks in like he's about to solve the case, only to start solving numbers instead. 23, 24, 25, more or less the same. Oh, absolutely. Why stop there? Let's just say 30 is 40 on a good day. Maybe even 50 if the court is feeling generous. And height, even better. 180, 1.6. Ah yes, basically twins. Because in this courtroom, precision is optional, as long as it sounds convincing. Never mind that one measurement comes from 2014, and the other magically appears 6 years later. Time, flexible. Numbers, negotiable. Logic, missing in action. And while all of this is happening, Ntanzi is just standing there like, are we serious right now? Because someone has to remind the room that facts don't stretch just because your case does. This isn't prosecution anymore. This is guesswork wearing a robe. Let's watch how this calculation falls apart in real time.
For record purposes, Exhibit J, it's the report or an affidavit by Warrant Officer Amanda Yvonne Steenkamp.
Leso statement esifungelwe Amanda Steenkamp.
The first paragraph on page 5 reads as follows. The fifth witness, Mr. T. Makaleni, residing at Muzamo 3942, compiled the face of suspect B. I'll give it to you. He saw 3 unknown African males in the vicinity of the gas station, busy on their cell phones. He saw them again at Kelly's mom's house. Suspect B stood at the gate. He gave the following description. African male, 25 years, 1.80 meter tall. Now, let's look at the description in terms of the age. It's stated in this paragraph that Mr. Makaleni estimated the age of suspect B at more or less 25 years. Now, we've already traversed this aspect that in 2014 you were 24 years old. Is that correct?
I
disagree with that age because I turn into a specific age in December. On every 2nd of December of the year, it's my birthday.
I'm now 24.
Thus,
I'm not 23.
Thus, I was not yet 24 years of age. I was 23.
Manje lapha kubhalwe 25. Icourt izolitshena ngo24.
Here, it's written 25. To the court yesterday, it was told about 24.
Yes, but if we work according to what you're saying, it's just about 2 months shy of 24 years. Is that not correct?
Kodwa ke asebenze ke cishe lokho kushoyo singathi ke bese kusele ke cishe inyanga ezimbili uhlanganise u24.
Angazi noma uyaqhathanisa noma lapha ecourt ngikhela ukukhunya ngokuqhathanisa angazi noma uyaqhathanisa nalapha.
I don't know if you are comparing or estimating because usually in court things are being compared.
Yes, but the substance, Mr. Ntanzi, of the proposition is that that estimated age of 25 years was close to your age at the time. Even working on what you're saying that you were 23 at the time, 23 and 25, there isn't much of a difference.
Kodwa ke ukhona ke mnumzana Ntazi ukuthi lana kwakulinganiswa ukuthi kulinganiswa ukuthi wawungacishe ube neminyaka engu25 ubudala. So uma ungabheka ke nanoma sibheke lokho kushoyo ukuthi wawuneminyaka engama-23 u-23 no-25 ungacishe kusondele.
Cha izinto ezingafani ezehlukene phambi kwekhotha.
No, those are two distinct things, my lords.
Ngoba
Not the same.
lapha ekhotha phambi kwekhotha ngatshela ikhotha ngathi mina ingane ka-2013 ezala ngoJanuwari nengane ka-2013 September nasesikoleni ayingene kanye kanye.
I even made an example for the court, and that a child born in 2013 January and a child who was born in the very same year 2013
and 2020 September
September,
azingene kanye kanye esikoleni.
those children would not start school exactly at the same time.
Manje lezi zinto ethi angimsheshisa ngeziqhathanisa into engafani kimi.
So what you are comparing, counsel for the state, are two distinct things.
Now, let's look at the height estimate of Mr. Makaleni. He estimates the suspect of the height of suspect B as 1.80 meter tall.
Uyangathekisa ngithi. Uyangathekisa usho njalo.
He was estimating that.
Ngoba mina akaze ngithathe lo
Yes.
muntu obhale encwadi, akaze ngithathe le ngozi ubude bami.
Because the writer of this document never took my measurement,
Yes.
my height measurement.
Yes, he was estimating
Yeah,
the
but
height.
wayilinganisa.
Now, let's look at the evidence of Lieutenant Colonel Mangena.
Akasibheke ke ubufakazi ke buka Lieutenant uKenela uMangena Phoyisa,
which we've already referred you to on page 52 on the 30th of August 2023.
ubufakazi abethula ngestate zika August 2023 vele sesikhulumile ngabo sacaphunela bona ku page 52
Line 21
oboku line 21
says, I did the same exercise and it was Bongani Sandi Sontanzi. I did the same exercise. I took the height of him, which was 1.86.
ovese washo lapha athi ngiphinde ngenza sona leso engisenze kubongane Sandiswa. Ake ngifunde kulo line 21 uthi ngiphinde ngenza sona leso senzo, and kwakubongane ke kulesikhathi ubongane Sandiswa Ntanzi. Ngenza leso senzo ngakala ubude bakhe obabungu 1.86.
Lezi dasifani lezi balo ban Makeleni ayifani nale kaMangena.
These two things are not the same. What is written by who? Makeleni. It's not the same as what Mangena or as Mangena's.
Manje ngeke siqhathanise into uMangena ayenze kimi nale kaMakeleni Makeleni azange azayenze kimi. Izinto lezi azifani namanje phambi kwekhotha.
We cannot compare something that Mangena did to me and the one of Makeleni.
Ngoba uMakeleni kube inkosi enkantolo wangithatha imeasurement wangeke kuphumela 180 la. Kwakuyophuma bo 1.5, 1.4 ngo2014 mina ngiyakhula.
Because had Makeleni took my measurement, it would not have been up to 1.8 meters. It would have been, for example, 1.5, 1.4, 1.5
1.4, 1.5 ngo2014.
in 2014.
Ngangcobe mhlawumbe naseCartonville ucelile ngoba eCartonville ngiyangena kwehaythi bakunikeze lo course ngalesikhathi wenza uphenyo.
Because in the meantime, I'm growing up. I'm growing up in height.
Now,
So it would have been better had you requested the Carltonville, because the Carltonville I did go in and the measurements were done.
now the difference between the estimate by Mr. Makaleni and the measurement taken by Lieutenant Colonel Mangena, it's a mere 0.06 centimeters.
Uyabona umehluko kulokulinganisa kukaMakeleni nalokukala okwenziwe uMangena uKenneth Mangena. U
0.06 centimeters.
0.06 centimeters.
Yes.
Kuve lapho 06 kodwa. Mina ngibona 186 ngapha 180.
where does it say 0.06 centimeters? Because I see here, on the other one it's 1.86.
Yes.
On the other one it's 1.80.
We're seeing the difference. In other words, when you subtract 1.80 meters from 1.86 meters that was measured by Lieutenant Colonel Mangena, the difference is 0.06 centimeters.
No objection. That calculation is wrong. 186 centimeters minus 180 centimeters, it gives you 6 centimeters, not 0.06 centimeters.
So it's 0.6 centimeters.
No, not zero. It's not a fraction. It's a full centimeter.
If it gives you a full centimeter, it means it's twice the length of the person
Yes.
who was being measured. Just common sense.
No, my lord. I'm saying 186 centimeters minus 180 centimeters. What does that give you?
You say
6 centimeters.
6 centimeters.
6 years. It does not give you 0.06 centimeters.
I thought
that's a
anyway.
fraction.
Just let's go the calculation way. Let's do it the Bantu education way. Yes.
Yeah, kubamba indaba ey'balo ke isibalo sanamuhla.
The difference is 6 centimeters. Let's
Kumele uyayiphikisa ukuthi lesi sibalo asenziwanga kahle, umshushisi akasenzanga kahle lesi sibalo. Umshushisi nawe uyasho ukuthi
We agreed with my colleagues from the left that it's 6 centimeters.
6 centimeters.
Yes. So the difference,
As it is the court, madam, thanks to Bantu education.
kuthiwa ke akuyiwe kulento kuthiwa ke ibantu education ke manje kwenziwe lesibalo ekugcineni ke bayavumelana ke abameli abamangalelwa kanye nalabo naloyo omele ke umbuso ukuthi umehluko ke ku lezi nombolo ngu-6 centimeters.
yes. So you'll agree, Mr. Ndanzi, that that's a very minimal difference of 6 centimeters. The difference between the height, actual height measured by Lieutenant Colonel Mangena and the estimate given by Mr. T. Makaleni.
Uzovumelana naye yini umshushisi mnumzane ke Ntanzi ukuthi ke umehluko phakathi kobude obukaliwe uLieutenant Colonel Mangena nomehluko obulinganiswe uMakeleni buncane kakhulu ilobo obungu-6 centimeters.
Bungane.
Minimal.
Angivumelani kanjalo.
I disagree with that
Ngoba mina ngibona lezi zinto ezibhalwe phansi ezaduyisinda angivumelani nawo.
because I'm looking at the figures that are written down here. I disagree.
So God please, Mulata, it's almost time for the short adjournment.
Okay.
Can we take the short adjournment?
Yeah, fine.
So be careful, get fisher.
So today, in a murder trial, we're apparently doing primary school maths. Barloy stands up, looks the court dead in the eye, and basically says, 23, 24, 25. It's more or less the same. No hesitation, no shame, just confidence. Even Ntanzi is like, no, that's not the same. And that right there is where this whole thing starts falling apart. Now you've seen it for yourself. This isn't a slip-up, this is a pattern. When the facts don't fit, suddenly numbers become flexible. Age becomes close enough. Height becomes more or less. And a 6-year gap? Completely ignored. That's not evidence. That's guesswork dressed up as certainty. And the scary part is, this is being used to try pin someone as an intruder in a murder case. At some point we have to ask, is this prosecution or is this desperation? If you can see what's happening here, don't just scroll past. Hit like so more people can see this. Subscribe if you want real breakdowns without the nonsense. And share this video, because the more eyes on this case, the harder it becomes for weak arguments to hide. Drop your thoughts below. Is this solid evidence or is this reaching? Stay sharp, truth doesn't bend, only bad arguments do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next upload. I'm Skybridge. Goodbye.